To loop videos on your mobile phone, open the YouTube app, then tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap on View All under Playlist. Then tap on Create a new playlist. Give it a name, for example music. Then click on Create and then tap on plus Add videos. You are going to be forwarded to the YouTube search. Search for any video you want to loop. I'm gonna search for a song, for example here NCS music. Let's for example select this one. After selecting and opening the video we want to loop, we are going to scroll horizontally right here in the middle until we find this save icon. Tap on it and then you can see right here in the bottom there's a slide pop up where you can select the location, the playlist where you want to save the video. And of course we are going to select our music playlist. You can see that this icon has been changed and it is saved now. Then we are going back to our playlist by tapping on our profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap on View All under the playlists. Go to your playlist music and tap on the video you want to loop. And here you can see this icon right here. If you tap on it, it's gonna change a little bit. And this means that it's looping the whole playlist. And if you tap on it again, you can see that this icon has been changed a little bit more by adding a small one. This means that you're only looping this particular one video. To test it out, we can put the video to the end and see if it's starting from the beginning after ending. And it's working perfectly. Thank you for watching and see you next time.